Mamenka will say I Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So Mr. Afo, yeah, pledge, you know, just be part of it. I understand, say, yeah, tier was it. Me now do the show. Omanhene Kwabena Asante, me Yusuf Chipsa, me Alex Boam, me Alice Kopi, me Goso Omanhene Papebi, me Yamfo House of Chiefs, Afo, your president. Now the dinner show, me Shep Bosse, me Sum Ahafo, me Nkwanda nyina anam de de a sefata ni monyam impuntu ne kanko e de abre afo. Me boa me nuanom so a omo afo a esese ye boa o modam ne nokure asoma afo. Nti afo ni bia no, if you want to be a proud Ahafonian, make sure say osho no pa bia the pledge you tell yourself no asoma afo. Under the able leadership of George Boakye, Ahafo Regional Minister, ably supported by the members of Parliament, our proud potential President, Eric Opoku, our Wisdom Port Collins, Dauda Alhaji, our Dr. Benjamin, our sportsman, Honorable Bobie, our proud members of Parliament, Frida Prempe, and Ira Bano, Omona Aso for Frank and Ana ahemfo nyina eboye chidom from Mim to Kukum to Sankore to Kasape to Yamfo to Kenyasi 1 and 2 ne can say Yahudo nyina akanyina ntotro so ne jedu ne Omanhene so nyina no munyina nanano munyina goso your capital. We are proud of goso Omanhene and of your capital nankaza no impuntu ahodo eba so. Every day, you know, the Ahafo Creed, also papa, now they are two. Yeah, a subset of Ghana. It is a awesome now shebo mahafwa. Bibia di adanse say ober reflect say subari nyina e dia Ghana. Enti afuni bia no baby a hye bia butu bia no. Ma yenye proud of you. Adwuma bia wo ya ma Ghana ankrankra bi anawa ho no. So utimi fifet se kanea. It's very important. Na yensuensroma ehyen ti ye we be ofre afo continue to be a proud Ahafonian ebra na afo 40 30 10 dwane no atwam ye breni, you know, ye breni Nana Kobo also oya afoni Nana Kobo, good morning. Ye shadi we busumi asini, a lot of people want us to institutionalize it. You know, the Adjei to me any penny free Nana mo ansana yetimi but tell yourself, I'm a proud Ahafonian. And never bore my what imagining your papa for Ahafo. Yaba back, my main cow say, now a very sad one. My good friend, my brother, my chief executive, and my group chairman, John Kwame Ejekum, CEO, Jifamko Abattoir. Onyame ya aduma na otwe wie ne beka kope no krabia wo Boakwa Kumasi ufresu ye boa na okwa Boakwa Kumasi na yakope no krabia enti me gie di say which I really believe that said the osibesum Ghana na osum titu mo ne mududwa ne nipa bia ba na akwa bia no. This is one unique opportunity to really demonstrate that you cherish the relationship you had with him. And the Nyame adoma na otwe we ewo Boakwa, the late John Ejekum or a CEO Jifamko Abattoir. Made a friend Kwame nti Kwame baby obia no onyame fa okra NC. It's unbelievable, but God knows best. Ebusuya nyina yako ana Jifamko adwumayefo nyina so yaba ya ho hyeden. If you don't remember then question da no. Kese ne baso wo Boakwa ewo Kumasi. We are back to life. Ni nyina say to abrabo no so efri say sa na abrabo no tie baby enwuro na ye koyenim sa. Daniel Ni Kwatei Titus Glover, or a HR person or a philanthropist, and also a businessman, and a lady were activating a political life some years back. nti eno na abedi nanim na oguso krakra ne philanthropy ne no ene ne kuayo no ene ne HRSM no okokura mu kakra wa kiro osi kuntuhwan a nchia na eko osi achi be yoda so na asade kana osi achi be yoda nti se osaye bana nti ene di wo hu se itiri ani boy ekotirim nti se osa atwa na ni hwe ne party na ogina mu no na ho odin sonko a wo no timidi ko gina as a potential national organizer for the ruling New Patriotic Party. Nti so hunu baby a a potential national organizer for the New Patriotic Party. Ni Kwatei Titus Glover, Honorable Akwaba.
Correct. There.
Hear me.
In fact, you have not changed, not in terms of negativity, but you keep improving every day. Way back in 2009, when we worked together in Kent City,
Kent City
Alliance, consistently free Kent City, Eddie cohorts. With your bar. When you sit here, you share opposition time, you share. Now you really put Asante on their toe. Seriously. Now make kind of do dance say. Some of us are proud of you.
Thank you.
Because you don't look and seem or speak partisan. You portray yourself as a nationalist. Said ya and semno esia kono. Said ya Ghana can't call Ghana a new nyam and sempan da wakumaso. Na se mitieu and opebia me ba me hear some and Ghana saying Ghana koseng.
Yeah.
Then a sempan dia no ye me hear some. And topics now I would discuss no. I say wow. My younger brother you are not like us as politicians. You are a broadcast journalist. Nan semna ya would be to Bamaso who be and so a pepe mu, a chirichil mu, a mayano, a mayamubi. Yes, she be free. And Ambassador Rona Wafadia to so as a Havonian so. You are becoming the mirror of your region. And it says, no bia be free. And there when ya quenya. Na oni timemufo edinkita ho na se yenyina be ye ne saa me gidie se bibi ye free eni ye man Ghana no e be koye nim se ne kono no enti Kwabena ko nim saa.
Thank you.
Every day the pledge me tie se awoka na ma betra last me ba awoka every opportunity be a menya be wo no you try to market and project your region where you come from, which is Afo. And I'm so proud.
Thank you.
That you are making your region so proud. And we also do our best as politicians, as a government, to make sure say kakran so. Yen so the fata ana na dan Akufo-Addo ni na ban. Yen so be ya ye de be boti memfo no so. Yen so ye be ye e de boti mani aso. Sa no pay ma beto. Na wate ade no so ye fe. Ntuma no GTP ntuma ye fe. The pam no so design.
Afi bi yesan yo.
We afi bi yesan ntuma afi bi yesan.
You want me say for a purpose. And I say, apart from government deficiencies, unfortunately for this administration, a combination of COVID, Ukraine, Russia, plus the world disorder in a way, I feel yes, for this, I feel tough.
I started my working life in 1991, 2nd December, Aluex. Na every year biano ye che ntuma na ntuma no ye cha obi ehu ntuma ye di ma no ye de warehouse na ye de graphic
achechiro
and newspaper enti obi a e fra wo ko take odi na wa ko fa de ope na me ye auditing by training when I'm starting me working life no and the supervisor no onimi adwuma no de bi oni lucky no wa ko fa bi ya say me ntuma no ko fa no I say Francis Tekoli Every year, about 2 years. Consistently, and the designer no from my come it really fits you well.
Yeah,
really
thank
fits
you.
well.
Campaign to say.
Ekoye pa. So far, my year 6 regions. Me fiasie ewo Bron East, which is 11 constituencies. My year
okay.
Me call Northern region. Me 15 out of 18 initially. And I'm a son call the 3, which is Tatale, Zabzugu, and Sabuba. 18 Northern region. Me Savannah 1 out of 8 or 9. And I'm a call Northeast 6 nina my year. That is me Kaba, Cheriponi, Bungurugu, Yo, Nazarugu, Gambaga, Wale, Yagaba Kubori. Yaga Kubori, who qua, Ufri, Wale, na Wuko Wungua. A quantity de Musa, but ye bridge Kresibi. I was soon so and there was a fat passing back. No was all the way to Yagaba 6 maybe Upper East 50 my 13 because the security situation in Boku Central any president in alcohol. My year voter region 18 and my year Otisu 8. Yami Aduma this week so you better 3 other regions. I will hold to account.
Africa.
Okay. Minifia Gamiko go share Waberwana Makochiano.
Okay.
And the Adom.
But Obiabeka at a time where it's coming across as your party being unattractive. So that time when I say oppressor or yeah, can the former party. You accept that?
Oh,
the party
it does not make sense. The party looks attractive because of ABR, the world order, Nyama, Amma, all over the globe, including Ghana, economically. Challenges, ayabano. Elinama to say, Bibia enkoyi sebi. But naturally, ye nipa mintimintana min can say Bibia fro. There are challenges, there are difficulties, and into mampini ekosinkunya ewo peduasi e friend na pamfo. Se mumbra ni entutu adwene ye hwe kwa ebefa so a me mampini nso betu wana mum. And I like the position wo any osebunso a year over the week. So Mampini in the times of COVID, almost every fortnight or so back, at least giving us up to speed as to what he's doing. And then you share COVID, so they see Akono. And this Mampini so as somebody at table power. And it's also a friendship, and I'm sure there have been some resolutions with time, or the better pronoswa Ghana for nyina who say the eco sending and namo Mampini so auto no near eboa and that doesn't make MPP attractive. Obia be so be delegate ni bi. Everybody wants to be delegate, but not everybody can be delegate. What does
Obia person
what does here? You can come in, some can go in, old people can be there, they can get out, new can enter. It's not everybody. It's a process. What does here? Edu baby adia enya me danize bia ebim person mo too much bogana adia no and then I mean, let's make sure say there is some fairness. But Adibako also tells you, it's not everybody who can be a delegate. And there's a process for vetting. Tema is, people, voters get a blouse. I have videos, I have pictures. Ankofo, I will share NDC t-shirt. And then of course is a touch on the MPP forms. Or some person yet, delegate. From another woman, it's not possible.
What's NDC t-shirt?
What's NDC t-shirt? Boni amudi what Tema is na. Mo ye boni di boni edit presidential candidate no. Mungo to number 2, muntu number 2. And then opportunity about person delegate. They know all of you. And it's Ankofo ni nyina na ze video say woo. You want to know. Ube tinaja ka say we. It's peculiar to some constituencies. But by and large, Metmaka say about 90% has been successful. There are few issues, court cases, injunctions, but the regional party and the national party, to make the party more attractive again.
So, when a part of the normal election exercise, two political party,
every party, you see, the two main political parties, MPP and DC, these are some of the rituals we go through every 4 years. Because
how
people,
do we improve it? Because
people,
cutlasses, gunshots, wounds.
That is most unfortunate.
How do we improve it?
Now, say wouldn't you be a seer? Why do you have to take clubs, whatever, weapon for what? But the law is there. Obi a wafa cutlass or the abo or the kodi because it's criminal. that act and action we no e boni o say police di wudi say we wunti wun ase wo party mu a e say go fa ba anaka for scanning etuo the fact that we get a weapon e di boni kra no is a crime. I was a police for a tuba a tuaso and you wouldn't be biasia take the process me free me sister a week you see on Friday no e wakra me badabaka me family house badabaka champion na me fifie Sunday no ya kwasori na ya betrance me ni mama na ya ba nra no frɛ me was of free Eastern region baby na wabo why petition of a form no far form no ye need the frame you got two coordinators elections ye need the frame and your petition to the election committee or copy regional secretary any range of frame at the time no frame na me other line so me nyako for be free so me catch the mama ni niba me ni panic say we not of free line so ko and the we are some work kind no me free to Eastern region what does say but I me they say was we about regional regional secretary amania my brother Jeff any election committee no any the constituency chairman now I think it's Kede or somewhere that is the process and the spirit that will deal with the matter by nyenze okofa ba na wa fasekan why see and the omo we say dey no munjai boy you see problem party ni nje say mind this for emevango that is not it. That is not it. That is another unfortunate thing. Me fray the former Formina chairman, Inti or whatever they call him.
Loud.
Me fray no. But that me call your vote and you I call him on phone.
He's been very loud.
Me nene kasai say me serenwara. Maybe akumana kosron be no man form. But I wanted to engage because as a future national organizer, these are some of the conference resolutions you'll be engaged in. Which is here. Now we shall come to bring my HR and my industrial relations conference resolutions to bear. Ni shall come be faswa. You be solve some problems in. In fact, o team was super. And to me do come say I will look for him. Now you shall come be faswa. Mr. Omara because a yard dozen. A yard dozen. Na yentu ya boise. Bibi BAC biano yentrance. Na say me who cross papers in Saturday. A jisusu. Na also deripa. Regional minister to Anamoa or Shokon Faswa, they will look at it to make sure that there's peace in the constituency. Okay,
so how do we improve it? Say maybe at the next 4 years, no?
I think
internal elections before we come to the bigger picture.
Governor, it's all about engagement, talking. Nipano say on TBBC a training brown ne church no me chire no. Say that me sika no. And you be no bet my delegate. What I say? And you be a any bit my delegate. Now, say why a delegate you have a boss, you need to be about my delegate. At least I was also calling him. What I say? And I did back with me who say a lot of people rush to become delegate, but they do it to well. One in your it's a fact. People rush say you be delegate, but a do a juma you be for more. You will see them.
What's the responsibility of a delegate?
A delegate is that you are managing a polling station. It is a go member a demo hey. Fanofa Street a demo hey multimedia area hano. Mumu 5 na more demo. Only will crew more. You are the police station executive. You are supposed to campaign in every area, every household. A be a warfare in at least you go zone Fanofa area hano. Any particular what area you can able to determine say a ma wa do ni, member wa do ni, and kola wa ndi, omo moko school ni. MB before wahenie, omoni MB before so so you be able to structure your campaign. Whoa, ne dey ye adwuma no form. Ye be dia de no kwa ye nkoyo. Ne atiada. Na timemu fo no bi sorry, ye campaign na wuefu. Di on person be ye adwuma no. Omo no mun police executive no. But there are some are fighting to become the executive.
Soon say you have neglected us. Why do you still need us to work on your behalf? So as soon as what we hear very often say mapuye
yempu 1 year because say insano ne nyina nyepe policies are binding beba no and the beka Ghana for nyina say President Akufo-Addo ba Ghana of free party mu and the call abanwa no so and the share power dey go kwanso bia no and the big kan ye o just here and he say be adi chenu na ye chene bi ndu so a enka say ewi free. The longer we stay in power the more the opportunities will come e be kaka ye na ade nyina and be dey be kwa I give them hope. My first introduction make catch say yes I know there's some level of despondency but before we from both na ade nyina and the this from bafakwan o say there be na say mo say there be dia ene mo man to ye boase ni yen kan nyina ye humbom baby ato sini nyina no ni yen twetwa nam emfa show ni yen kan ye humbom.
Okay, so what will be your response to this texter Enoch Tete Kwame GH? We are facing a lot of all these challenges as a country as a result of bad leadership of President Akufo-Addo and his MPP government, unprecedented hardship and suffering. Indeed, Ghanaians have trusted this MPP government at their own risk. MPP, never again.
You can clearly see, say, we test the NDC. Clearly, the way he even couch his statement tells you there is an NDC. If NDC had been in power, whatever we are facing today, it would not be different. If you are struck with the global crisis, what we are going through, world over, but this that will be in the sea. I was here about Nanado Abayin Abaso. Said in all the struggle in Yano, Omanhene, he will make sure say he will bring some relief to our people. Last week year back, the was say the world price of the crude, and this time it was moving between $50 to $60 a barrel. And then send your ton work. Send your ton work. The exports prices are your ton of money. Send your ton. Because economy in Yano is a bit shaky. And the ton of price I will pay with Baton and go ye. And into a yenzo ye casa mambedino, catcher and say, we need to develop our own. Say, yen ye be one into one kakran, ye developer, yes, and Tiasi. And the bunny say, yeah, we want to rush to the IMF. I heard that is a no. Because we call IMF now, we call Echo Shawa. Conditionality is the demand. One joke, say, we may send a bit papa on the grano. And I welcome statement na testa na actually no say kroma ehye enyama enkuye but enu nkyere say da mampinin out ya dwonso onya wohwe. That is why he's a leader. Enu ntina we sing konya all catch him say let us come together and see what we could do. And I'm sure say we share fuel prices na air cost na there na they are going to look at those tax components that they are within our domain ye betima ye bibie free ho na hu say ye tax dey free ho a revenues na as we take off. So you ask yourself, between the devil and deep blue sea, where do you find yourself? And don't know baby or what control any taxes or what fuel prices no. Maybe this one. May this so up. Revenue I mean free more medical ye BB emetim for no so and also ebeko. Kosi koda. Me titu no so and if na me konyeska na timemfo no ba besu agajere say and na kwanya say and nsuo ni ha and say say ne ye no.
Okay, so I am subjecting the president this morning to a bit of test. The economy will rebound sooner than later. Your conversations, Dodona Kojina says, Mpensenpensemu, which is true, Omutu Anamo and Sefata. We've not looked at, for instance, your harbors near ports, no? The 419 Ekohonom on part of certain some compromise workers there, i.e. customs for national security for agents, maybe for no, the attitude that they pay a positive Ghana, but your attitude is negative.
Correct.
We've over time. Correct. Because readily what comes to mind is Professor Mills. Okay, I'm also my word, Papa. Yes, you'll be better customs the Juma. 2 years now we see then
I like your nationalism, your patriotism, because you come my way. You do not embrace better at all. People are always evading tax because the person categories. No ni sekananga abani benya ni dia koyempu juma na sekanu ko shedu kutuko. That has always been the culture and the practice and behavior of Ghana for and some custom officials. And it's national. I don't dispute because I'm a typical port boy. I a woman what my father a juma ex cargo I am magic Gapoa ne and takwadi light trade ne cargo handling any port authority into GPHA. So I'm a typical harbor rat. And to be here. And he said, who said, look, they are no. Why would he say woman ya? That would just kind of go to Goma. And he won't sue Magana. And to be rigid Kakrebi, I say, and or say business. What's the business saying? Because of say, oh, ye, na second embra banjeng. Said they are buying bedman in scano, and the papa. And the angle now would have Edibano in terms of nationalism, the patriotism. Custom officers. Then there are fantastic custom officers over there who are making sure that the right relevant revenue is generated.
So we need to kill that.
And the national security operatives, for me, what my point is, how much order, especially Golden Jubilee. They should change. They should change them. They should change them. Yes, it's a movie. Me who can the make a channel. Yes, it's a movie. I know some of them who have been there since we came to power. They are still a Golden Jubilee. Why? And you see, when you are so familiar at the point for a time, competence level, any level of human we know, but the for ebehwa or the Kenya be edi beshem or the ahonifu be ebeshem because you have relaxed. So you don't seem to bother so much. But when there is some sort of reshuffling, we ko hakakra, we be abeshakakra. Ebwa, and for me, Golden Jubilee. National security from one, they should change all of them. Yes.
A best solve a problem.
Why not? I said they should change all of them. They should read my lips. They know them. I know them. Yes, it's someone in free.
Well,
lawyer.
My name is Nipa Eshebresa. Na Ninia Precope, Nyancha and Punwanya Biaka, Ninia Precopa on the Shabra Boise. Ujanis is to the extent that. Asem to numpono frena afi I say boachi bidi onipa de ontinechi asem na kameka ne ese fata efa no ho a kwate dada na ye danyame ase se oye dishi a obeka ya sawa na emum ye tu bata ti de message ne say a onye bre na omienshi ase niafo na ehia kase pa ene ohwe suita or the atani coma a card tire off our so a called Chayuli Colindia. No Chayuli Colindia. Uni.
No, my hand. Me time who didn't need an introduction.
You had 7 years old. I say, me who said, I said, me teaching me read.
Kwabena Asante. What did you can? What the message in you? Just be.
Akwaba.
O ma meje usana
kuma. Baby e boko. Usu kakrakra. Good. Na me usa na no kokumase. Mo ne mo flag bearer.
I know they meant me anko. Ejuma ba kwenti.
Okay.
The movement.
Ba party sem ne boko. Ghana nkomo na opose okabi. Eno ahun nkomo na edi.
Yeah.
The Zamia say no pay the assurance about from president or say yanke akoma ntu yem. Enche bia.
Why?
Ghana man pay na dan Akufo-Addo. Asidani edema no.
What's it?
The economy will rebound sooner than later.
Oh, okay. On the kai. Yeah, semo. Kuruno adane kasa. You say communicators ne doso. And no should be a udwemu be a communicator.
We kasa.
Yes, I want any organic. Mekai say nche bia ye kasa Ghana ye den no. Uri aboabia samwase NDC for na che Ghana for achi nka. What titles I used to commend him when the communication. You see, on my entity mu no say enema mu adia ya na ye de kasade ene kan fa nipa ho wo de fe nipa say de be ya na come and back from. The last time I am say me ba ha me ma be minister kan hia sticker posture no de tia say arrogance no de cause I told him. And I'm say wo position na o handkerchief bear for o transfer na usu ene enkwan adwo enti Ghana for na usu mo omo no say ene niema nye yi na omo usu a wo se ye beyo. So I commend you for how you talk. But ni na nkamfo ano whether say economy ni be you enye you ye nyina na atim ana meboa honorable titles o konso akache mo party for no to trust them I am hallmark too much
to trust them on there
common polling station elections amoye ena hwe di si wodo me Kwabena
ena akwada advice Adom ka so be di e mumu nya ntomu di nwi
it doesn't matter state security hwe saka na pumping so hye ne ade no police for na egu no why na tofu egu mu ye de kodi sa adwuma nya o my Ghana sika
sika na o de koji
na mo to trust am am tete mamu a brabo ni si na mo di omubu at the expense of for minor cost polling station election Omanhene
so obi fa Russian in sema
no that is how they train them
the MPP
Omanhene be sincere with me and yourself
no the MPP
in my party NDC men ka say yeah angels but certain things you can't do it in my party certain things you can't and a fellow of the party leadership at the national level and a creative problem or down. How can you tell me so be cooperative polling station election former sitting MP no MP na also endorsing answer?
There be almost no nka ho.
Me say a fellow of the national leadership, John Badwam leadership no. And on the trickle form.
Wadarma MPB ni ho a ese se o endorse.
There MPs Omanhene mama ka.
But they are a part of omohihye no dan e design come am obi the brain.
Inti MPs no money portion bia omo ni role bi omo play.
They have they are omo the specifically they are there
stop
on
it.
the board.
Stop it.
Can't
conflict of interest.
Already know. You raise the issue about the presence of the MPs on that day.
Yes.
You raise no doubt about that.
So I don't know one a creative problem and I hand to more form. But your best way, Kruma Yeshi, a name of wedding. Petro no yempo a ye di esikato ye ntiminto. Enti kakra na aka ban foto mu ne ye di beto petro ma police for ne nam Kwabena ne de keka. They should stop it.
Okay. You try home. O
my say we dey ochia.
You try home.
I'm did so shave when you answer. Dear me, person we hear me say, oh, I don't want it down. Found the teams, not subscribe. Who subscribe here? Video, be able to go here. Ubenya Queen, I was waiting here. And yet, like, not share. Dear me, person we hear me say, sign found the team share so. Now, what we be so in ye be no so found more be na air con, na ye quiet.
Well, as I we have some few minutes to wrap up here. That's so Ajibra so should be happy birthday, Jeremy Ayi Nete. May God bless you. A free a year Tete Nete and also says family and on the Edema. So Jeremy Ayi Nete, good morning, happy birthday, so cool. We are back. Erika J. One say Erika J. Oko a Bono Deputy Communications Officer. Yeah. Daniel Nikwate titles Global. So yeah. Kane a member of parliament or Tema and have a deputy minister transport. Hey, to come on.
Yeah, my man. Na make say Eric to go mu.
No,
intro. Hey, intro put na uze mu da.
Oh my economy no. Yes, e be den. E be sen ba.
Bigran na so.
Bigran ni nice bi. Ya da man pani ase. Kasa se ya eno an ye pese yete. Na mpanimfo se o de wano do anwura. Ebi nwo na abodi akeka say yemrane a nka politicians ye pie kura nka yankufie because of simpie so ne ye boje wo so a ho na wanhwe ya na waka say Jesus kura na ye wadamfo de adi ye duru ha nyina ye kasa tenten kasa aban we pe kasa too much enura na mehwe oruaga bi o kire da Twitter yi na wako comment sign ene ma ekonomo PR no na emwo mo PR sesen titles na manage CD after see to abawi 2016 the narrative was Ura Mahama Segana we nya hwe mebo ene omodi free SHS by into kokase yenye ya kwan omosi ya free SHS. That was the narrative. Yo ho na COVID-19 de ne ho bagim nti blame ni nyina free SHS na COVID ade bi e be ka no kroma bi na COVID. That's sorry na Ukraine and Russia so nya ntoka kakra bi a He said they're free COVID, they do Russia and Ukraine. Enough of the casa. Omanhene Mpensenpensemu say the Jawa near their swawo. Who unim secure Bank of Ghana? You don't know, but Baumia told us the money is sitting there, right? And there are any jack where you either you know. And upon meet you near upon Chroma or one of my sister stations. Economy Nisika 7 the Bank of Ghana for said the Intia was said there was more no more. Now a tear kunyasono. Now Greek ministry and a manager sikasem. But we lied a lot. Udrenanum too much. Mebununa yes is why you see a man yourself. Yes, you be free rubber with me hopa. And then all political credibility crisis. I cannot in the nation. He can't talk anymore. And to me now, one say, Nana be more quiet program be UK na Cabo Kokano Kribo. I like video no. The way Cabo spoke, he was frank. We and Busa was na Anthony Cabo no Timika send this senior alternative no. And I'll send it to you. Na Samirian so could na UK say ni kunu economic risk it. We are hwehwe na Ghana ye hu no man na dodge. Oso nam na otujegum. What we are saying is oman opa mankofo we ministers ye omukohia ye ne MPs ne cabinet omonko prep nka ho. Anajubi omonko sua de emfa. Because they are the crop of people mampeni de omo started 2016 neba. O started ye ministers 125. Menu Kwabena Asante. Yes, studio na ne yete na ne yekaze aban no sondodo.
Yeah.
Mampeni ka is a problem ne so ohia more hands. O kan appointing the ministers.
Yeah.
O you can oforiata no de ni CV ato no ho. Oko school Yale, oko Harvard, oko ha. Some of the honorable titles winner and then the honor reserve player wabefi. At the end of the day, the likes of Kenoforiata mo mess up the economy no. Omo na oni omo sin akuhia kokko ma fa adwo. Na adwene na bi wo wan ko ma fa ma. Oma na wontima se.
Yeah.
Ya ba ban mu pen. Enema mu ye den. Ye call stakeholders so bi amra no fa na adwemra. Ye hu the way forward as a country. Because of the partisan nature. Akufo-Addo mpo so mo ko bi no. Your party people were blocking them eboa. And then hina kwa kodri. O freken no foriata afrecha se dubu ahemo. Ne wa pointies na se momra ne emfa adwen. Adwen papa ben na wa mokofa. More short ideas. You have no ideas. Because se mo wa adwen papa bi wo ha. Enka time a wo han wiemu ne finance ministry through national security na charter jet na ma no. Enka wonua o ma me back no foriata tu fo se de wo ye no bebo man no wanka. And Katam almost started 2016 na besian kwa na omoji because data bank ye Kenoforiata diano on the financial transaction advisor 0.3% cohort MBN. That was their interest. And then mama nyum na dane and Ghana is broke. Why na Ghana na broke? This connection man in government, that is how I classify. Omo nyina connection man for nkwa. Man no mo man ni sika ni nyina wi and na money ye nyina betena simpie so. Then you are telling Ghana for say Ghana is broke. Ya nyi levia Ghana is broke. Na sika pimpi man kuma na ejeje ye no. O man ye ma obi se fa koyo krom kwan. Utimi award the contract. Nka same to you know my. Yeah.
Mintimi nya no.
Wo betimi wo ye da bia me ba ha oka ena ye duru ha ena o moduru ha.
Mintimi nya no kyerese. Nkomodie ne gusu a akoso.
Ebrade Kwabena odi krom for abro. Because oh yeah icon wa have
no me chese me pese me kwakọ ka ade a
the last time I know kasafa ho
contract for Kofi Job mu any minister
ba kan say me kan say me chere say sa connection man for no o kan say man for mo careful
e wutu me for me nya hwe yi
still
nti am say me nkoyi
and enka bi kra because ene baby edru no ye hu boto ano ne de kra eden ashim. But these people always come and be talking plenty. We anya kasa dudu. Ghana obi enim ye house is here. Ye ha one. Oko presidential staffers omugo they are more than 1,000. Ejuma ben kwa na omo ye. Ghana fo busai. Onkwa oba under Akufo-Addo efi Mahama Pensuba. We increase presidential staffers over 40%. What are they doing there?
Okay,
yeah. Start here so my small scale mine omo kita legitimate license omo ye ejuma or block your omo share excavators. We advise you offer. You go enter into PDS agreement connection man for mudisi kabum koto we tijan ye tu mo for mo fire. A lot of things and more creative mess no. You've mortgaged the future of our country and if to be obi amode agebosia. He said the etisika na dani mobile money. Ye nim se na ye mobile phone crash ye moto mu asem na namoka. Ye etisika so no. So what we are telling them they say on betimi ehia now should be omo they have nothing positive to offer this nation. Abaya watina konwa so untimi nya reshuffle. Look at some performance of your ministers. Omanhene. Nye no a. And na me no ka sentrofo a mo de multimedia de enhyiranka mo. And sentrofo anka omo so omo ne fa check here from 2015 to 2016 no. And omo nyina government appointees. Inti morning show anopa no government appointee or a board member then okoka. Good evening Ghana ono no bro nya dua na osi mi ho Ghana airport mu ntimi ntwa light bill. Chese you incorporate these gangs aka ho. Oh, I call them career predators. The way mo colleagues media for ni bi boa ban we omu di dream no. Awie bebo nyame mo mu ntemo omu nyini nche no mu hu omo daache. Uni ha na what is a Ghana airport company yakutwa light.
Yes, no omodeka.
Na omodeka. Na me no ye na wo si etua. Omanhene Ghana Airport Company Paul Adom watch routine the see no they challenge na good evening Ghana no di atem bro nya bia osi ni sen me see bro nya bia no it is so hey yo obi asi terminal 3 won't mean bia light bill what people are we dealing with?
Okay, honorable, wrap up for us.
In the first place, Eric, we shall kasa asiye no mesro atembidi de yifu
oh na me ni atem
we di atem
I
na say wo frɛ aban benyufo so mo your connection men. I don't think it's a good word.
Okay, it's not fair. Connection, yeah.
Because mean to me frɛ wo ex MP, sorry, ministers. Say omo ye
wo say oni aban
Debbie. I've been part of government before.
You are still part of government.
I'm still part of government.
Na PDSDC na nya connection. Me church connection no you.
Enu na nya kasa. O kasa wo ye lawyer, wo be defend me. Be kasa ni bi no. Na hu nti kakra. Na we see how we can go. Adepa ko me kai say embrace NDC abreso. President Bama be ka kire nze. Umo diska na nyina ma dobe no kura na ye di manasa.
Me kai pa.
All is gone.
Yeah, me kai.
All is gone. But the NAF will share what is going on across the globe. Now, I'm one penny. You think they are good value or Tihono? The cost of petrol, the cost of any day. There be.
Sure.
There be. Eric. Nanado, I know. Because Yakasen Yanotio, he listens. I'm telling you, Eric.
On the
Debbie. On to me trawo and gazette diamini na me di enua esisi maso e de e kan me tie.
Na Omanhene mo se o chata jet jai Omanhene mo aka. Okay.
Now kan enye na wajai.
Why do?
But have you looked at the benefit that comes out of it? We seem to know the cost of everything, but not the value of everything. Sebi. Obetu kwanya. The traveler is not in his custody. He's at his security and in his safety. Uni ha the same president echo UN General Assembly aga okowo wiem no. You forgotten? Long hauls, any stops no on to me no. Short hauls fine. And the hono oguja to kan or yes ani aviation politics na na me bisa na sebse. You an MP. So who coach Dwapon a who call not ton who the bicycle na go. Because you're a member of parliament, the constitution has given you opportunity to go in your own means of transport. Yeah, the amount.
But on 24.
Oh, please. Okay. Please. And he said, whoa, you have your comfort. As a young boy, who go warrior no, who to be charter plane, and go ya warrior. And then
Omanhene.
No. Nkasa. What has he? And Kasa be here.
Which one
respectfully. Asema ye kan asisi ya ablakwa de ebe mu a oka ochata wahan jets okọ ne constituency or the car neko. Omanhene granted say ochata jeta. Ye de beli oman. Ne constituency na okasa okọ no ni V8 petrol no obi office MP nya buy na tofu amount but that the public perception amount ni meboa so even you ought to educate them say MPs mo na moto mo fuel
but so no president or the right
or the right
to that jet no
fuel from consolidation
Okay,
yeah baby I do economy do you
say
you say you ho say and say you ho say
Oka fe nesi won ufuwe from consolidated fund
you say you ho say omampanyin e wo ho kwan say osu say ewiem share offer no e sin to aba o say
are you endorsing it?
no me say you ho
e se ben
Omanhene shise bia da
e se ben na okay
me busa so what has been
Omanhene
what be baba train
what charter jet 1 hour $14,000
ajafo mi ta
na
David
yentimi provided national service you omoka ukro mu kwa yentimi and you are telling me say
Eric and what for me time no interjection
oh
hello ya dia na
Baba Jama say e dey wa ho brase na ni aso pa
oh
on the family again
and clearly hardships na aba no ahunche na aba no omampeni utie pa and the fact say yakotrase na yehwe kwa ebe faso na would you engage timemefo na wachire yakwa ebe faso I think that's the best way to go because momodie no it was a credibility problem mo pese mo de call IMF mo de yanko share ho but conditions and name chire di buy no why conditions no why and the ho de yanko ho now the point is that even who call IMF Ericus who call IMF you be more kwan say wa kotrase and prescribe your own solutions for them to frame it up
so the Senche version is the pediatric version
what I say Mpensenpensemu ye
King James version
yem ko IMF no my condition na e kire no ma ka kire yen say yen ko per solution yen fambra so who sit down as a ban no ye twa kwa fa cafe na
ono abwe nyatan na den cafe
mi kasa mi wie nyam ko wo chia wan
and am so ascolto no den kan unu do man so gan
and clearly no okay me who program on the business statement.
Yeah.
I've been marking the finance minister Beba to come and brief the house.
Okay.
To look at these challenges here.
I know a state of the nation.
And finance minister.
No, they different from state of the nation.
Oh, state of the nation Beba.
Daben.
Beba.
Hey, oh my. Position now you're true state of the nation. The constitutional mandate no dodge.
And on dodge
for na we mkro mi ntina na show bias no. Dedication to or power no
metia.
I don't know when position no did.
Oh my anope de metia.
Ascolto what
Uru misata.
Yeah. Oh.
Ya me mfa ne crazy. Debbie me kai Ghana for say. We feel
17
na obewu no na ba womia ama na 170 questions. Past question be as well for. Yeah, I go school because solution can. Enti ye twen ba womia say.
Na me ni so ochi
ura emisata say 170 questions na obusa no.
What be ready?
Yeah, that's